Hello students. So in this video we will see 5 marks problem on integration, that is standard integrals. So problem will be in two parts. In first part you are required to derive formula for the given integral which is worth 3 marks and a simple problem on that formula for 2 marks. So first I will take, that is integral which he had given, integration of 1 by root of a square minus x square dx. You are required to derive formula for this. So in root, when there is a square minus x square, put x is equal to a sin theta. Put x is equal to a sin theta. So if you are not knowing these hints, in description box I have given a link of differentiation where I have explained all the hints, what to substitute when there is in root and all. So you can go through that. So here you can remember, in root if there is a square minus x square, put x is equal to a sin theta. Therefore dx is equal to a cos theta into d theta. Now substitute these values. So you will have I is equal to integral 1 by root of a square. X square is a square sin square theta. X square is a square sin square theta. Dx is a cos theta into d theta. Dx is a cos theta into d theta. Now if you take a square common, outside root it will become a. So you will have integral of a cos theta divided by a root of 1 minus sin square theta into d theta. So a square it will come out of root a, 1 minus sin square theta remains. So this a gets cancelled. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. If you take root, again it will become cos theta. So you will have integration of cos theta by cos theta into d theta. So both cos theta gets cancelled. So you will have 1. So I is equal to integration of 1 into d theta. So integration of 1 is theta. It is not x over here because you are integrating with respect to theta. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 integration theta ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ, x ಬರಿಬೇಡ್ರಿ. x ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? dx ಇದ್ದಾಗ. So d theta ಆದಮೇಲೆ here it will be theta plus c. Now from this you substitute, put what you have taken. So we have taken x is equal to a sin theta. Therefore x by a is equal to sin theta. So sin, if you take to the LHS, sin inverse x by a is equal to theta. So you substitute this in the I value or integral. Therefore answer is I is equal to sin inverse x by a plus c. This is our answer. So integration of 1 by root of a square minus x square is sin inverse x by a plus c. Now you are required to use this formula for given problem. So you can note down this, then we will solve the problem. So in the problem, first quadratic term you are required to convert it into perfect square. Quadratic term ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 1 by root of 7 minus 6x minus x square dx. So first take this quadratic term. So if I take a quadratic term 7 minus 6x minus x square, ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿತಾನೆ ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ x square plus 6x minus 7. Now convert this quadratic term to perfect square. So you will have minus, so a square, here plus is there, so plus 2ab plus b square minus b square, and this minus 7 as it is. A square plus 2ab plus b square minus b square, then this minus 7. Here a square means here x square is there, so here you will have x, so same term will come here, x. If you multiply these three terms, you should get 6x. So 2 is there, x is there, means here you will have 3. So if you multiply these 3, you should get 6x. Then this term again it will come here. Same term will come here, minus 7. So now, if you take first 3, from here to here if you take this, it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b whole square, x plus 3 whole square, a square b square, so a plus b whole square. This is minus 9 minus 7. Clear, students? Else you can go again through this. So minus 9 minus 7 is minus 16. So minus x plus 3 bracket square minus 16. So minus I will take inside. I will have 16 minus x plus 3 bracket square. So 1 marks for this, conversion of this to perfect square. Now substitute this and apply the formula. Therefore, I is equal to integration of 1 by root of 16, I will write it as 4 square minus x plus 3 whole square dx. So now this is in the form of 1 by a square minus x square inside root. So 1 by root of a square minus x square, just we had derived formula. So it is sine inverse x by a. So x is x plus 3, a is 4, bracket complete plus c. So 1 marks for this answer. So 2 marks for problems, 3 marks for the derivation. So you can pause, solve this, then we will go for the next problem. Now second one. In second, integration is 1 by root of x square minus a square. So integration of 1 by root of x square minus a square dx. So if it is x square minus a square, put x is equal to a secant theta. Put x equal to a secant theta. So again if you differentiate, dx is equal to a secant theta into tan theta d theta. Secant theta into tan theta d theta. Now substitute these values in given integral. So you will have I is equal to integration of 1 by root of a square secant square theta minus a square dx is a secant theta into tan theta d theta. So again in the denominator a square will come common, outside root it will become a. So integration of a secant theta into tan theta divided by a root of. So if I take a square outside, here remains is secant square theta, here minus 1 into d theta. Here a and a gets cancelled. Secant square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. If you take root, it is tan theta. So you will have integration secant theta into tan theta divided by tan theta into d theta. So secant square theta minus 1 is tan square, root of tan square is tan. So tan gets cancelled. So you'll have I is equal to integration of secant theta into d theta. Secant theta into d theta. Integration of secant theta formula is log into bracket secant theta plus tan theta bracket complete plus C1. Instead of C I will write C1. Finally we can write C. Now answer should be in terms of x. So we substitute secant and tan theta from this given. What we have taken put from this we will substitute. So x is equal to a secant theta. Therefore secant theta will be equal to x by a. So this a I have taken to LHS, x by a it will become, here secant theta remains. So using this you are required to find tan theta. So tan theta is equal to, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಟ್ ನೆನಪಿಡ್ರಿ, secant theta x by a ಆಯ್ತು, tan theta ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿದಿಂದ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರ್ತದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಇದ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ a. So tan theta will be root of x square minus a square divided by a. So ಇದು ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ತಗೊಂಡು 2 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೂ ಅಷ್ಟ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೂ ಅಷ್ಟ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. So now these two values you substitute here. So you'll get I is equal to log into bracket, sorry, secant theta is x by a plus tan theta is root of x square minus a square by a bracket complete plus C1. Now here LCM is same, so I will write it as whole divided by. So log x plus root of x square minus a square whole divided by a bracket complete plus C1. Now this log term is in the form of log m by n. Log m by n is written as log m minus log n. So log x plus root of x square minus a square minus log a plus C1. Log m by n I have written it as log m minus log n plus. Now here this is also constant, this is also constant. Log a is also constant, C1 is also constant. So if you add or subtract two constants, again you will get constant. So log a plus C1 minus log a plus C1 I will write it as C. So our final answer is log x plus root of x square minus a square bracket complete plus C. So this is worth 3 marks. Now using this formula you are required to calculate or evaluate this integral. So for 2 marks problem on this, so we will solve that. ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನದ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 1 by root of x square plus 6x minus 7 dx. Now first I will take this quadratic term and again I will convert it into perfect square. So x square plus 6x minus 7. This is equal to a square, plus is there, so plus 2ab plus b square minus b square, then this minus 7 as it is. So now you can tell me it's similar to last problem what we have got. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಏನದ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಇದು 3 ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ಬೇಕು? 6. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಬರ್ಬೇಕು? 3. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. So here again this term will come 3. Again here also same term will come 3. Now if you take first 3 terms, it is a plus b whole square. So x plus 3 whole square. Last 2 terms if you take minus 9 minus 7. So x plus 3 whole square minus 9 minus 7 is minus 16. Now substitute this in the given problem and apply the formula. So I is equal to 1 by root of x plus 3 bracket square minus 4 square dx. Now if you observe here, it is in the form of root of a square minus, x square minus a square. So apply this formula. So this is equal to log into bracket x. In place of x we are having x plus 3 plus root of this term as it is, x plus 3 whole square minus 4 square bracket complete plus c. This is your answer. If you simplify this, you will get this same term. So directly you can write log x plus 3 plus root of x square plus 6x minus 7 bracket complete plus c. This is our answer. So this will be for 2 marks and derivation will be for 3 marks. So again you can solve this, then we'll go for the third one. Now third one, students, this has appeared in July 14. So in root you are having a square plus x square. So 1 by root of a square plus x square dx. So in root, if there is a square plus x square, put x is equal to a tan theta. Put x is equal to a tan theta. So if you differentiate, dx is equal to a constant. Differentiation of tan is secant square theta into d theta. Now substitute these values in given integral. Therefore I is equal to, so dx is a secant square theta into d theta divided by root of a square plus x square will be a square tan square theta. Now again take a square common in denominator. So outside root it will become a. So you will have a secant square theta d theta divided by a root of 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. So this a gets cancelled. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. If it comes outside root, you will have secant theta. So integration of secant square theta divided by secant theta into d theta. So 1 secant gets cancelled. So you will have secant get cancelled. So I is equal to integration of secant theta into d theta. Again similar to last problem, integration of secant theta is log of secant theta plus tan theta. So log of secant theta plus tan theta bracket complete plus c1 plus c1. Now again substitute secant theta and tan theta from whatever we have taken put. So from this x is equal to a tan theta. Therefore tan theta is equal to x by a. Correct, students? last problem I have told hint. So tan theta x by a ಅದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಏನದ ರೀ root of a square plus x square means secant theta will be this term divided by a. So secant theta will be root of a square plus x square divided by a. So again substitute both these in our answer. So we'll have I is equal to log secant theta will be root of a square plus x square by a plus tan theta will be x by a bracket complete plus c1. Again LCM is a, you write whole divided by a, simplify, you will have the answer. So log, first I will write x plus root of a square plus x square whole divided by a bracket complete plus c1. Again log m by n is written as log m minus log n. So log x plus root of a square plus x square minus log a plus c1 minus log a plus c1. Again these both are constant, so that we write it as c. So our answer is, so final answer I is equal to log into bracket x plus root of a square plus x square bracket complete plus c. So this is for 3 marks. And here the problem which he has asked is very simple, just in 2 steps we will have. So if I take a problem which he had given 1 by root of x square plus 7 he has given, I will write it in the form of a square plus x square. So 7 I will write it as root 7 bracket square plus x square into dx. So now it is in the form of a square plus x square. Now directly apply this formula. So this is equal to log x plus root of a square plus x square, or directly you can write x square plus 7 bracket complete plus c. This is our answer. So in this year he has asked very simple problem. So you can go through these 3 derivations. Another 3 I will take it in next video.